Welcome in our geography session for standard 12th. We discuss industrial region in the world. In this video, we discuss about the industrial region in India. India is one of the important country because there is a highly youth power is related with India. Means a labor force, availability of skilled labor is in India. In India, there are the 7 industrial regions are important industrial region, and so many other small industrial regions are developed in a in metropolitan city region in India. Among them, in our syllabus, there are the 5 industrial regions are there. First region, that is the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Second, Mumbai-Pune corridor region. Third, Delhi region. Fourth, Coimbatore-Bangalore region. And fifth, Ahmedabad-Vadodara region. About Chota Nagpur Plateau is located on a plateau region. Deccan Plateau, the northeast part of Deccan Plateau is occupied by Chota Nagpur Plateau. There is minerals resources are available. Reservoirs of minerals are located in this region, and that is a supportive for the basic development of industries. Almost metallic minerals are available in this region. And second, the population is also supportive. Cheap labor force is available. Mumbai-Pune corridor. This region is attached with the Nasik, and this triangle is very important for the all types of development of industries. Almost all types of industries are developed in this triangle region. Mumbai-Pune corridor, because there is a Mumbai is world important port, international port is there, and through the water transportation Mumbai is attached with the whole world, as well as the other types of communication and transportation facilities are also highly developed in this region. Then Delhi region. Delhi is very important region due to its a capital place. That's why the infrastructural development is there, and other facilities and government policies are also supportive for the Delhi region. Coimbatore and Bangalore region. This region is also important in a sugar industry and textile industries, as well as Bangalore is also important IT hub. About the communication development, Bangalore is topmost region in the India. So Bangalore is also known as a Silicon Plateau. About the communication center. Now Ahmedabad Vadodara region. It is also important for the textile industries. It is a relatively neighboring area of Mumbai-Pune corridor region. So the development of Mumbai-Pune region and Ahmedabad-Vadodara region is very good. Now we can observe the location of this region. Here is a Delhi region, then Chota Nagpur Plateau region, Coimbatore-Bangalore region, as well as Mumbai-Pune industrial. This triangle is here, Mumbai, Pune and Nasik, and here Ahmedabad-Vadodara region. So almost this region are located in a peninsular region of India, and Delhi is at the north part of India. About the India is very important country in a sense of natural resources. Physical factors about India. Rich mineral resources are there. Chota Nagpur Plateau is a very important and rich with the mineral resources. As well as in India, there is the availability of natural gas in Mumbai High. Then hydroelectricity is also provided for the industrial region in India. Port facilities are also available in India because the India's peninsular region is also related with the coastal part, and it is supportive for the availability of port facilities for industrial development. Then hot climate. The due to the coastal area, almost this Indian peninsula is within a hot climatic zone. Here is a Cancer and then equatorial region. So it is located in between Cancer and equatorial region. That's why the southern part have a high temperature, and north part there is a temperature is decreasing towards the north, towards the Himalayan ranges. The Himalaya is also affecting on the weather, and the development of a monsoon climatic condition is in India. So the hot climate in a peninsular region is affect on the development, but the coastal area of peninsular region is with high density of region, and it is supportive for the textile industries due to the hot and humid condition of atmosphere is supportive for the textile mills or cotton industry. And the hot climate on a peninsular region in a middle part, it is supportive for the production of cotton and other agricultural production, which is also responsible for the availability of or the supply of raw material for industrial development. Almost the agro based industries, mineral based industries and other industries are developed in India. Now human factor, how affecting on the location. Large market is there. Due to the high density of population, the internal trade of India is very good, and that's why there is a demand for the industrial production and industries are developed. Huge supply of labor. It is also due to the high density of population. There is a skilled, unskilled and semi-skilled labor availability is in India within a cheap rate. An excellent rail network of India is also supportive for the industrial development. Almost the sugar industries which are located in internal part of India, that region are attached with the railway track to each other, and it is supportive for the heavy good transportation, which is also responsible for the development of industry in India. Port facilities are also there. Due to peninsular location, the coastal area availability is also important for the port purpose. International water transportation, which is the cheapest mode of transportation, is also available due to the port. Government policies. The Indian government as well as the state governments are also provide some facilities for the industrial development. Decentralization policies are also practiced by the government for the regional balance as well as the development of industries in almost all region in India. There is a one government policy is also there, that is a MIDC policy, which is also important related with the Maharashtra state government use this policy for the development of MIDC zone in each district, each taluka place at the outside of town and city area. So it is supportive for the industrial development in rural to urban center also. Developed communication system. The India is almost one of the important country in the world. It is also developing countries, highly developing countries in all sectors. There is a IT hub in a Bangalore as well as the small IT hubs are also developed in a capital region of each state is there, and it is supportive for the development. that communication development is supportive for the trade as well as industrial development. There are several types of industries are developed in all these belts. There is a important industries are chemical industries. Mumbai, Pune industrial region is supportive for the chemical industries. Delhi is also important. Then food processing industries, ready to eat and ready to make. These types of food is important and it is provided from the food processing industries. In India, India is an agricultural country. There are the several types of agro-based raw material or food is available which is processed in food processing industries. Then steel industry. The Chota Nagpur Plateau region is also important for the steel production. Transportation equipment. Almost all industrial regions in India are important for the transportation equipments. Cement, mining, petroleum, then machinery, pharmaceuticals products, software production, as well as sugar and textile. These all types of industries are developed in India. Almost sugar and textile industries. Among them, the textile industries is affected by the climatic condition. That's why the textile industries are located in Mumbai, then Gujarat, as well as the coastal area in a east and west coast of India. So these are the important industries in India. In this way, we can finish this point here. India is very important industrial region for the board examination. At least 4 marks are there. So you should use a pencil to show the industrial region in India. And you also write down the points like human factor, then physical factor, and which type of industries are there in India. Okay, thank you.